Kushwaha. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, we have studied about the definition of acid, bases and salts. In this video, we will study the difference between acid and bases, their basicity, their acidity, and some more about salt. Okay, so let us start. What is the basic difference between acid and bases? I have already told you in our last video that acids are those compounds which gives proton or H+ ion or hydronium ion in their aqueous solution, while the bases are those compounds which gives hydroxide ion in their aqueous solution. OH minus, hydroxide ion means OH minus. And here proton is generally used in ICSE board. It is not generally used in CBSE. In NCERT, generally it is given OH minus ion. H+ ion means hydrogen ion symbol. But in ICSE textbooks, protons is mentioned. Okay, so you must know about proton also. Proton is nothing. It is H+ ion. Okay, so we'll take some examples of acids, like suppose HCl. First is HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. When it mixed with water, it gives H+ ion. Okay, H+ ion, or we can write HCl plus H2O gives H3O plus. H3O plus Cl minus. H3O plus is hydronium ion. Hydronium ion is also nothing. It is same as H+ ion. So it will be an acid. So another example of acid is H2SO4. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. If it is mixed with water, then it also gives hydronium ion, H3O plus and sulfate ion. Okay, so you can see that HCl and H2SO4 both give H+ ion or hydronium ion in their aqueous solution. That means they are acids. Okay, so acids, if we talk about the classification of acids are two types basically, organic and inorganic acids. Organic acids are those acids which generally obtained from plant sources or animal sources. They are naturally occurring compound, you can say easily. Organic acids are generally found. Organic acids are generally obtained from the animal sources or plant sources. In our daily life, we can see the organic acids like vinegar. Vinegar is nothing but it is acetic acid, COOH. Vinegar is COH, acetic acid. Similarly, formic acid is present, HCOOH. Formic acid is present in sting of ants. Okay, so these are some organic acids which are found in plant sources or animal sources, which are obtained from plant sources and animal sources. So here we don't have to study about the organic acids. We generally focus on organic mineral acids. Okay, mineral acids, inorganic acids or mineral acids. We have to focus in this chapter on mineral acids. Mineral acids are those acids which are obtained from mineral sources, meaning from the earth itself. So, mineral acids. Mineral acids. What are mineral acids? Mineral acids are those acids which are obtained from the earth itself. For example of mineral acids are HCl, HNO3, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. These are mineral acids, and all these mineral acids are strong acid. I will tell you later कि mineral acid और mineral acids सारे strong होते हैं या नहीं होते, और on what basis we say that these are strong or weak basis. So HCl, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, these are mineral acids. One more acid is there, F3PO4. This is called phosphoric acid. It is also a mineral acid, H2 CO3. Carbonic acid is also a mineral acid. Carbonic acid, one thing is very important or very specific for carbonic acid is that it is a mineral acid but it is weak acid. So it can be a question, एक क्वेश्चन बन सकता है इसमें कि which acid is mineral acid as well as it is weak acid. So here is the answer. Carbonic acid is mineral acid but it is weak acid. Okay. So now let us study about strong acids and weak acids. What are strong acids and weak acids? Strong acids are those acids which completely dissociates in their aqueous solution. For example, I am taking the example of hydrochloric acid. When it is mixed in water, it will completely dissociate into its ions. It will completely dissociate into its ion. Suppose कि मैं इसमें 100 molecules हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स मैंने लिए और उसको वाटर में मिक्स कर दिया तो क्या होगा कि इट विल कंप्लीटली डिसोसिएट इनटू मतलब 100 के 100 मॉलिक्यूल्स H प्लस और Cl माइनस में डिसोसिएट हो जाएंगे. दैट मींस इट विल बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. सिमिलरली H2SO4 sulfuric acid is also a mineral acid. It will also completely dissociates into its ions. That means ये भी एक क्या है स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड HCl H2SO4 and HNO3 is also a strong acid. H plus NO3 minus NO3 2 minus NO3 minus 2 single minus. Okay, so it is also a strong acid because it is completely dissociates. But what are weak acids? Weak acids Weak acids are those which partially dissociates. For example, organic acid, generally all organic acid. I am taking the example of acetic acid. Acetic acid, it is a weak acid. When it dissolves in water, then it will dissociate into CH3COO minus, means acetate ion, and H plus ion. Although it gives H plus ion, but it is a weak acid because some of the molecules of acetic acid will dissociate into acetate ion and H plus ion. Suppose कि मैंने अभी जैसे इससे पहले वाले में एग्जाम्पल लिया था that suppose I am taking 100 molecules of acetic acid. तो क्या होगा कि उसमें जब भी वाटर में मिक्स करेंगे तो इसमें 30 और 40 मॉलिक्यूल सिर्फ एसिटेट आयन और H प्लस आयन में रहेंगे और जो रिमेनिंग कितने 70 और 60 जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होंगे वो एज इट इज रहेंगे मींस CH3COOH के फॉर्म में मॉलिक्यूल्स मिलेंगे मींस इट इज एन वीक एसिड. ओके, सो some more examples of weak acids are formic acid, acetic acid, formic acid, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is obtained from, it is generally found in tomatoes. Oxalic acid is found. So these are the example of weak acids. Okay. So the second difference of acid and bases is taste. You know taste. Acids are sour in taste, मतलब खट्टे होते हैं और bases are bitter in taste. इसका taste bitter होता है थोड़ा सा. तो ये एक डिफरेंस हो सकता है दोनों के बीच में. दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस. एसिड्स अगर दूसरा डिफरेंस देखें तो एसिड्स आर सोपी इन टच. अगर सॉरी बेसिस आर सोपी इन टच. अगर बेसिस को टच करते हैं और एसिड्स क्या होते हैं जनरली जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स होते हैं वो कोरोसिव होते हैं. मतलब आपको स्किन पे इरिटेशन होगी अगर आप इसको टच करोगे. बट सम बेसिस आर ऑल्सो कोरोसिव. जैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस आर corrosive. Strong bases, example of strong bases, hydroxide. Generally metal hydroxides are strong bases. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. These are strong bases. Some weak bases are also there, like ammonium hydroxide, LH4OH. This is weak base. The difference between strong base and weak base is similar as strong acid and strong base. जैसे strong base में भी वही होगा. अगर हम इनको dissociate, इनको aqueous solution में mix करेंगे, when they mix with water, then they will completely dissociate into their ion. But weak bases partially dissociate होते हैं, मतलब ये completely dissociate नहीं होंगे. तो this is the main difference between strong acid and strong bases. The third difference is that aqueous solutions of acids conduct electricity. Because they have ions, so aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. Similarly, the aqueous solution of bases also conduct electricity. Okay, but if we talk about strong acids and strong bases, then the same difference. Strong acids conduct more electricity, while the weak acids conduct less electricity. Similarly, the case is same in bases also. So, a difference between acid and base is action on litmus. Litmus is a solution. Litmus is an indicator. It is a red color. So the next difference between acid and base is action on litmus. Litmus is an indicator. I will tell you later what are indicators. So litmus is an indicator which litmus are of two types, blue and red. So acids turn blue litmus to red and bases turns red litmus to blue. This is the main difference between acid and base. One of the main difference you can write. Now coming to the next topic, indicators. What are indicators? Indicator is very important topic in acid and bases and salts because these are the things which on the basis of which we can distinguish what are acids, what are bases. We can also check the strength of acids and bases by using these indicators. So what are indicators? Indicators are the substances which changes to a characteristic color in presence of a particular ion such as hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion. Means these are present in acid and bases. So क्या होते हैं इंडिकेटर्स वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो अपना एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कलर चेंज करते हैं प्रेजेंस में किसी भी पर्टिकुलर आयन के प्रेजेंस में, लाइक OH आयन भी हो सकता है वो और H आयन भी हो सकता है. ओके, तो these are indicators. एग्जांपल्स अगर इंडिकेटर्स की बात करें हम तो यहाँ पे इंडिकेटर्स क्या होते हैं? लिटमस सोल्यूशन. वेरी पॉपुलरली using indicator is litmus solution. Phenolphthalein solution is also used in laboratory. And methyl orange. These are three indicators. Okay. यहाँ पे एक टेबल है जिसमें मैंने कलर्स डिफरेंट कलर्स लिखे हैं कि what are the changing colors when these indicators added to acids or bases. Litmus solution is of two types. Means it is available in two color, blue and red color. When acids are added in litmus solution, blue litmus solution, then blue litmus changes into red, and bases when litmus solution added into bases, then red litmus turns to blue. It indicates the change in color. Phenolphthalein is a colorless solution. When acids are added in phenolphthalein, then phenolphthalein is colorless, remains colorless. While when base is added into phenolphthalein, then it changes into pink color. Next is methyl orange, and name indicated is oranges in color, a solution, oranges color solution. When acids are added into methyl orange, then it changes into red. And when bases are added into methyl orange, then it becomes yellow in color. So these all about indicators. Some more indicators are there which are known as olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators क्या होते हैं? वो indicators जो olfaction means olfactory term is related with nose, means smell, which are related with smell. Means here the color will not change, the smell will change. Okay, so here are three these three types of indicators are there: onion extract, clove oil, and vanilla essence. Onion extract is nothing, it is obtained from onion. अगर आप उसको onion को लेके उसमें से उसका जो onion strips होती हैं उसको मैश करके उसका जूस निकाल के, और अगर उसको एक स्ट्रिप में जो पेपर स्ट्रिप होती है सिंपल, आप अगर उसमें लेके उसको 2 पेपर स्ट्रिप ड्राई बना लें, सपोज दिस इज 1 पेपर स्ट्रिप एंड दिस इज सेकेंड पेपर स्ट्रिप, ओके, एंड बोथ आर soaked in onion juice, okay. Then if we add acid in this and base in this, then their smell will change. In acid the smell will remain same, but in base it will completely destroy. Similarly in clove oil same वही होता है. clove oil की भी आप स्ट्रिप बना सकते हो और इसमें भी सेम वही कर सकते हो. एसिड में इसका जो स्मेल है वो सेम रहेगी, बट इन बेसिस the smell will completely destroy. Vanilla essence is also same. इसमें भी आप vanilla essence को भी यूज कर सकते हो. सेम दोनों में आपको डिफरेंट स्मेल मिलेगी. एसिड में अलग स्मेल एंड बेसिस में डिफरेंट स्मेल. So this is all about indicators. Thank you.